Okay, 86 wants us to solve the system. This is set up pretty nicely for substitution, right? So I'm going to take that and substitute it right in there, right? So we get the bottom equation, 5x minus 3 times all of y, negative x minus 2 equals 22. Now we're going to distribute. Remember, it's the negative getting distributed in. Negative 3 times negative x is plus 3x. Negative 3 times negative 2 is plus 6, right? Now we combine like terms. 8x plus 6 equals 22. We subtract 6 from both sides. 8x equals 16. So x equals 2, right? We divided both sides by 8. And then for y, I get y equals negative x, negative 2 minus 2. So y equals negative 4. So the ordered pair 2, negative 4 is the solution to that system.